Hey guys, my name's Josiah, and I'm learning JavaScript. I do apologize for my voice. I think I might be coming down with something. We got German chocolates. They came with edible packing peanuts. I've never tried these. Last week, I went over the basics of types and values. I didn't dive too deep into strings in that video because the video was already over time, but I thought I would take a couple videos and talk about just strings. To start us off, last week I did explain what strings are. They contain text, but let's take a look at strings. A string holds text. We know that. But a value is only a string if we make it a string. We do so by enclosing our text in quotation marks. This makes any characters inside these marks a part of the string. Now let's take a look at some of the things you can do with strings. There are some simple challenges from Edit pertaining to strings. For this one, all we have to do is determine the length of a string. It's actually really easy. We can do this using the length property. The characters inside of a string are represented by a string object. On MDN, we actually have a cute little demo that shows us how this works. All it does is give us a usable number value for the number of characters in our string. So in our function, all we have to do is return the string length. This is helpful for our next challenge. Here, we want to check if a function is empty. If we already know that a string has a length property, then all we need to do is check to see if that length property for the string is greater than or equal to 1. But what if we want to check if a string includes a specific character, like a space? Well, conveniently, we have another helpful tool, includes. The includes method is extremely well developed and has a lot of use cases. But I'm going to throw most of them away, take one super basic use for it, and oversimplify it for you. Includes searches for something inside of a string. MDN has a slightly less cute demo to explain how this works. So in our function, let's check if our string includes a space. We've now gone over 3 things you can do with strings. How do any of these help you? I have no idea, but it was fun. Next time, we'll dive a little deeper into more that you can do with strings. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something. I did. If you want to check out this code for yourself, I'll have the project file linked down below, along with the resources that I used to learn all of this. And if anyone can find a better way to explain what we've just gone over, please leave your solution or explanation in the comment section below. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.